Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Alberto here. Well, today we're having a different approach. I'm in Merida, Mexico, and today is the Day of the Dead. So we're gonna go out and do some shots right on the very old graveyard. So see what we can come up with. It's early in the morning, so it's not that hot. Kind of humid though. But we see we have a very ancient graveyard, and I think we can come up with something really good. We'll see how it goes today. I'm bringing my X2 and my XE2, a couple lenses, and we'll see what we can do today. Get back to you soon. Bye. Today I was very excited about coming here because the Day of the Dead, but it turns out to be that families are gathering here by hundreds, and they're actually decorating all of their graveyards, and so tomorrow I'm gonna show up again, and we'll show you the difference from today and tomorrow. Right now we're just chilling here from the heat, having a little bit of it's called raspado, which is chopped ice with tamarindo. So cheers, guys. So now gonna get refreshed after walking the whole day, and we're going down the stairs to a cenote, which is an underground river that you'll be seeing just in a second. When you walk down these stairs, you gotta walk sideways, otherwise you risk of falling. So this is what a cenote looks like. Just take a dip and get refreshed. See you guys.